Hello, hello, hello. Hey guys, welcome to another Adobe Photoshop tutorial. This one, we're working with swatches. We're in Photoshop 2020. It's not CC 2020, it's 2020 now. And I want to show you swatches and how you can change colors of shapes, of paint, of all sorts of different things, even backgrounds with just dragging and dropping now, where in the past you would have to do some erasing and stuff like that. Now it's dramatically updated and upgraded. Let's just get right into this. I've got some black crumpled paper here as a layer in the background. This is just for the hell of it, guys. You don't need this, but the contrast is it's good, so you guys can see what I'm doing. The next step here, if you're following along, just create a new layer like this. And boom, to show the technique, let's start with the paintbrush. Again, we're working with swatches. I'm going to take the paintbrush, I'm going to select the paint tool. I'm going to make a nice big brush because we're just showing technique here. And I've got a blue color selected. So I'm just going to draw like this, 2, 3, 4, whatever. The point is I just drew this really ugly M, right? Well, whatever. Now, what we want to do here is normally, if I wanted to change the color of this, you would go up to you could go ahead and either delete it and start over, or you can mess about. But watch what you can do with swatches now. Here we go. Click on the swatches panel. If you go up to window and you don't see the swatches here or in your toolbar, just go up to window and make sure there's a check mark beside swatches. So swatches is here for me. Now watch this. I'm going to select a different color. I'm going to select red, and again, nothing has happened, and that's deliberate. But now, when I drag and drop red, if I drop it on wherever the blue paint is, watch, it becomes the new color. If I want to do yellow instead, just for demonstration purposes, it becomes the new color. You'll see here that with that swatch, when we drag and drop that swatch, it becomes a color fill. It is super, super cool. Now, what if I've got a black background, but I don't want that background to be black? Maybe I want to try a different color. Watch this. What's a cool color? Let's go with green. What do you think? Oops. I'm going to click off of the color fill, actually, guys. Sorry, that was my mistake. So it does create a new color fill layer. And I guess while I got you here, instead of having to drag and drop it, once the color fill layer is created like this, it's just click, 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 and you can change the color without dragging and dropping. That's an important point. I should have told you that. My mistake. I'm going to delete this layer and go back to the starting. So we've got the blue. Now, again, like I was saying, the background layer, maybe I want a different color. See what I just did there? I dragged and dropped it. I dragged and dropped yellow, and bang, the background layer disappeared and it created a color fill. Just so you guys know, you can do this all day now with the swatches, and you don't have to go in and mess about with erasing things and deleting things. Changing colors using the swatch panel is a piece of cake inside Adobe Photoshop 2020, guys. I love the changes, Adobe. Good work. I got a ton more tutorials coming up. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.